Harv Eker once said, "Rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me." That quote sums up everything about how wealth is truly created. Wealth isn't an accident. It's not luck or fate. It's the direct result of a mindset of taking charge of your life and making deliberate, consistent choices that lead to abundance. In this video, we are rediving deep into the 11 unshakable principles of wealth creation, timeless truths that can transform how you think about money, work, and success forever. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's explore how real wealth is built, one decision at a time. Here's the truth. Anyone can give you money, but true wealth is earned. It comes from creating value over time, not from shortcuts or handouts. Even those who inherit wealth earn it indirectly by being connected to the people who built it. If you want to build wealth, you have to sharpen your skills like a blade. You must become so good at what you do that people can't ignore you. Wealth flows to those who solve problems, create opportunities, and deliver results consistently. No matter where you start, remember this. You might not come from a wealthy family, but you can make sure a wealthy family comes from you. If you only trade your time for money, you'll always be limited by time. A regular job can pay your bills, but it will rarely make you rich. This doesn't mean you should quit your job tomorrow. It means you should leverage your free time to create new streams of income. Start a side business, create digital products, invest in your skills, and sell your knowledge online. The internet has leveled the playing field. You can build a YouTube channel, an e-commerce store, or a consulting service with very little capital. When you stop depending on one paycheck, you stop living in fear of losing it. Multiple streams of income are the backbone of financial independence. Let's be honest, too many people try to look rich before they actually are. True wealth builders live below their means and invest the rest. They understand that every dollar spent on luxury too early just delays freedom later. That flashy car, that designer outfit, they might make you look successful, but they won't make you be successful. Here's a better mindset. Reward yourself only when your assets can pay for your luxuries. Let your investments buy your toys, not your salary. Before you can grow money, you have to have money. And before you can have it, you must save it. Make saving an unbreakable rule, not something you do when extra cash is available. The best wealth builders set aside a fixed percentage of every single paycheck, no matter what. 10, 20, 30%, whatever you can start with. Think of saving not as deprivation, but as preparation, because when opportunity comes knocking, only those who are ready can seize it. Money loves speed, and if you have savings, you can act quickly when a good deal crosses your path. Wealth doesn't come from saving, it comes from investing. Once you've saved up, don't let your money sleep in a bank account earning next to nothing. Put it to work. You could invest in real estate, dividend stocks, mutual funds, or index funds. You could even start your own business. Your best investment is often in yourself. But here's the golden rule. Never invest in something you don't understand. Do your research. Learn the game. Build knowledge before you take risks. Smart investing turns your money into employees, and your job is to make sure those employees work for you 24/7. This might surprise you, but your choice of partner can make or break your financial future. Studies show that divorce can wipe out a huge portion of personal wealth. But beyond that, your partner can either elevate your vision or completely drain your energy. Choose someone who shares your dreams, believes in your potential, and supports your mission. Building wealth is a team sport, and the wrong teammate can cost you everything. Two aligned people with a shared financial vision can build an empire together. Life is unpredictable, and one unexpected event can destroy years of progress if you're unprepared. That's why insurance isn't optional. It's essential. Health insurance, life insurance, and disability coverage act as shields against life's unexpected blows. You don't buy insurance because you expect disaster. You buy it so a disaster won't ruin you. Wealth isn't just about earning and investing it, it's also about protecting what you've built along the way. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your financial future. Your environment shapes your mindset, and your mindset shapes your destiny. If your circle is full of complainers, dreamers who never act, or spenders who just live for the weekend, you'll absorb their habits. But if you surround yourself with thinkers, doers, investors, and builders, you'll grow faster, think bigger, and dream clearer. The truth is simple. A poor person with 9 rich friends won't stay poor for long, but a rich person surrounded by 9 poor thinkers will eventually lose it all. Choose your circle carefully, because that energy is contagious. You can't avoid taxes, but you can learn to manage them wisely. The wealthy understand how to legally keep more of what they earn by using tax-advantaged accounts. Think of accounts like a 401k, which lets you defer taxes until retirement, or a Roth IRA, where you pay taxes on contributions now, so your withdrawals later are tax-free. There are also HSA and 529 plans that allow tax-free growth when the funds are used for healthcare or education. Every dollar saved in taxes is another dollar working for your financial future. You don't need to be a millionaire to use these, just educated enough to apply them strategically. There will be times when you feel stuck, tired, or hopeless, when you'll wonder if all this effort is even worth it. Every wealthy person has faced that moment, and the difference is, they didn't quit. They kept going when others gave up. They stayed focused when others got distracted. You'll face setbacks, failures, and rejection. But every single challenge is a part of your wealth story. Just remember that the darkest nights often come right before the brightest dawns. No one builds an empire alone. Having a mentor accelerates your success. They've already walked the path you're on. They've made the mistakes so you don't have to. A good mentor can cut years off your learning curve and provide wisdom that no book or degree ever could. So, seek out people who are already where you want to be. Ask questions. Learn from them. Listen. Apply what you hear. Success leaves clues, and mentors are living maps to get you there. Wealth creation isn't magic. It's math, mindset, and momentum. Earn as much as you can. Spend as little as possible. Invest the difference wisely. Repeat this for years, and wealth becomes inevitable. But remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, the freedom to live on your terms, support the people you love, and create a legacy that lasts. If you can shift your mindset from waiting for life to happen to creating the life you want, you're already on the path. Because the truth is, you are the only person responsible for your financial destiny. If you found value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, wealth is built one decision at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.